Hello, let's see how we do implement if condition in Linux scripting. Let's make a file for that. Type touch and let's give a name to it like if else. Let's suppose if else dot sh. Okay, if else dot sh, and also we can give it an permission as well with a cmod. It's 7. Okay, 7 or with the file name that we are creating if else dot sh. Okay, then we can just do ls and list down the things. So here our file is created and permission is also given to it. So this is a simple example also I've given to you how pipeline is working in it. Okay, so let's start with if else basics. So let's open our Vim editor and this file what we have created now, and here we go. Just hit enter and we get into insert mode, and first of all we have to write a shebang hash, this one, and bin and bash which we are using here. So let's first echo enter a value, the value of a. When we will write rate a, then we have to echo for another, printing the text to uh, ask for the another value. Enter the value, let's suppose of b. Then we write like this, and we can read it with read b. Okay, then we will just for easiness we write it. We use if condition here with this two big brackets, and we have to give a space in here, and here we can compare value of a with a dollar symbol. uh, if it greater than gt is used for greater than. So here if a is greater than dollar symbol b, it gives the value of b greater than b. If it follows the condition, then it will follows the then condition. Then we will write echo here value of a is greater than b. Okay, so we also print here the values of those. Let's go like this, value of a, this one, and like here a. Okay, so if it is not greater than b, then what then it moves to the else condition. We write else, and here we also write the echo condition, echo statement. Here we write value of a, that is we get from dollar symbol, and a is not greater than b. That is we get a value of b with dollar symbol and b. Okay, let's try and see what the output is, and escape. We write it down and quit, and or let's try it. Okay, bash, and the file name. Here the value of a, what we wanna give it to, 5. Let's pause. What is the value of b you want to give? It is 7. Let's pause. So it's giving if else syntax error unexpected end of. Okay, I forgot one thing. We also have to give a fi here in the for terminating this. Okay, so here we give fi, and now we try the same bash file. Enter the value of a, it give 5. Enter value of b, let's give 7, and now we get the output. It's showing value of a is 5 is not greater than value of b, that is 7. So we get the value of we get the if conditional executed successfully, that it is follows the condition, and if it not follows the condition, then it will follow the else part. So this is the basic how we use if else for comparing two numbers. If you want to compare on three numbers, I will make a separate video for that. Please comment it out for getting that video. I will make that one as well. That is for the nested if else condition. Okay, so this is a basic idea how if else works with the scripting in Linux. So thanks. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.